This is the elevator at the Bank of Tampa building in downtown Sarasota, Florida. Schindler 330A. It's a dark brass on the inside, but it has a white carbon and paint that white. It's really weird and ugly. Fan's kind of buzzing, and the doors seem to keep adjusting. 3. And here you go. Right? Whoa. That's kind of weird. This is a tenant. No, there's not a lantern outside. It's a nice, basic, dark, kind of brass railings and paneling. A really dark wood, and there's like LED peripheral lighting and then the little spotlight. It's kind of, the lighting's kind of weird. Well, it shines on the certificate pretty well. Card readers seem to be deactivated. I guess this controls the second and third floor. Kind of loose, but not too loose. Here, number 1. And something's buzzing. Feels kind of air conditioned. Maybe it's like an air conditioner or something. And the door is balanced. The white carbon, just weird. Very close enough, that's gonna be it.